Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought another video on articles in details. At first we have to know what is article. The word a, an and the are called articles. Articles are used to indicate which persons or things we are referring to in a sentence. They are used before singular nouns. Articles are of two types, definite and indefinite. So we have to go to the main point. So let's start. So our first part is indefinite articles. Let's understand the indefinite articles with some examples. Number 1. Our mother made a bowl of noodles for breakfast. Number 2. She gave us an orange and an apple. In this sentence, the article a and do not refer to any particular bowl, apple or orange. By learning this sentence, we know that a and an are indefinite articles. They refer to a person or thing in general. To learn the correct way of using indefinite articles, we have to follow some rules. Number 1. We have to use a before words that start with consonant sound like bowl. A letter sound that cannot form a sound without the help of a vowel is called consonant sound. In the number 1 sentence, we used a before the word bowl because it begins with B, which is a consonant, and also it starts with a consonant sound. Number 2, we have to use an before words that begin with a vowel sound like orange and apple. A letter sound that can form a sound with the help of others is called vowel sound. In the number 2 sentence, we used an before the word apple and orange because they begins with a and o, which is a vowel and also a vowel sound. Number 3. We have to note that if a word begins with a vowel but has a consonant sound, we have to use a before it. Note, if the letter U pronounce U, then it is a consonant sound and a is used before it. If it pronounces a, then it is a vowel sound and an is used before it. Example, a university, a unicorn because it pronounces U, an umbrella because it pronounces a. Example, Sunil is a European. We use a before European because the first letter is vowel but consonant sound. Number 4. When a word beginning with a consonant but has a vowel sound, we use an before it. This is often done with the words that begin with H. Example number 1. This bus is an hour late. We used an before the word hour because it pronounced a, which means the word start with vowel sound and then we have to use an before it. Some examples of these types of word are an heir, an honor, an honest man, etc. The pronouns of these types of word will be start with a and a. Number 2. An MA, an LLB, an SDO, an MP. We also used an before these words because this word begins with the pronoun a, which is a vowel sound. Then we have to use an before these types of words. For getting better knowledge on vowels and consonant, go to the previous video I made, link in description box. So our second part is indefinite articles. While a and an are used before any person or thing, the is used before a specific person or thing. The is the definite article. It is used before a particular person or thing. The is often used before proper nouns. Example number 1. The sun is shining brightly. The is used before the word sun because the sun is a particular thing which is only one of their kind. Of the. Number 1. It is used before the name of rivers. Example, the Ganges, the Yamuna, the Nile, the Amazon, etc. Number 2. It is used before the names of oceans and seas. Examples, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Red Sea, the South China Sea, etc. Number 3. It is used before the names of mountain ranges and deserts. Examples: the Alps, the Thar Desert, the Himalayas, the Sahara Desert, etc. Number 4. It is used before the names of objects which are the only one of their kind. Example: the sun, the moon, the earth, etc. Number 5. It is used before the names of famous buildings and monuments. Examples: the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Burj Khalifa, the Qutub Minar, etc. Number 6. It is used with superlative adjectives. Example: the best student, the tallest boy, the shortest man, etc. Number 7. It is used in phrases like the first, the last, the only. Examples: he was the first to arrive. Omission of articles. Articles are not used before the names of peoples, towns, and cities. Example: Rajesh wants to be a sailor when he grows up. London is the capital of England. They are not used before the names of the days of the week and months of the year. Example: Monday is the first day of the week. January is the first month of the year. They are not used before the names of precious metals. Examples: Number 1. This ring is made of gold. Number 2. This necklace is made of diamond. So friends, today I am ending my video here.